Hello everyone and welcome back to Mila Farms, where we're going to do a quick video here showing how to take off and reinstall the drive belt on this 2007 Yamaha Phazer Mountain Light. This same technique will fit with a lot of Yamahas, but this one does have a slightly different clutch than the RX-1s and the Mountain Max does. So we'll take a look here. First thing you're going to do is loosen these three little twist keepers. Pull off this panel on the side. Then you have this pin right here at the top. Pull that to the back. Take the belt cover off. So you have your two clutches. You have your primary clutch, your secondary clutch, or your drive clutch, and your driven clutch here. You can see this belt that we have on here. This belt is not the original Yamaha belt. I think that's like a Carlisle or something like that brand. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and set your parking brake up here on top. On the Mountain Maxes and the RX-1, you have a center part here that you can actually push on to help push the back side of this clutch over. On this Phazer, it doesn't have that. It just has this kind of bump on the front. So what you're going to do is reach inside here, grab the back side of the secondary clutch, twisting it towards the back and pushing it in. In doing that, the belt will fall down in this crack and you can slip it right over the top, just like this. Then work the belt out underneath, work it up to the top, and take it right off. This belt, the difference in the original Yamaha belt is it does not have arrows on it. I always put it on so you can read the label on here, but it doesn't ever say if it matters or anything like that in the instructions that I could find. So we'll go ahead and put this belt back on. We're going to slip it back over the primary clutch. We're going to lay it up on top of the secondary clutch. Again, we're going to reach in, twist the secondary clutch, push it over, roll the belt down in the top, just like this, slip it down in the bottom, and then work it back up into the top, just like that. First time you move the machine, this will all readjust itself and the belt will be tight and in its proper position. Remember to check out that other video I have about adjusting the belt tension. The video that I did talks about the how to do it on the RX-1 and the Mountain Max. This one is done slightly different. You can look that up online. There's some spacers inside of the secondary clutch that helps adjust that belt spacing. So hope everybody enjoyed the video. Remember, you can't finish the project without getting started.